Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm doing another review. Is the Go Transit anthor and Bombardier coaches with the anthor and F59PHI. Number 662 engine is pulling with 6 cars train, and as well one old cab car at the very back of the end. There's 2 old coaches has the same number, and two new coaches exactly the same number. So we have 2 coaches 24-28. There's one coaches 24-28 right next to the engine, and there is another 24-28 right next to the old coaches. And we have 2059 coaches, and there's another one right here. Oh, sorry. There's another one right here, right next to each other. And there is 2018 coaches. It's the old coaches, but you will see it a second. So that's 28 coaches, and at the very back of the end of where the cab car is located, and this coaches, the cab car number is 244 at the very end. Now this train will start moving forward, but it cannot go backward because some of the coaches are derailing, and some of the coaches can easily break because this is we use it on the floor, but we cannot just move the carpets from the floor. That's the main reason. Now this train can move only forward, but it can only pull 6 car train because this train track is a very small for pulling up to 12 cars, as you can see. Now after this review I will do another review of the GP40-2 right here, number 7020. See it? So now I'm gonna light up this engine and I'm gonna start running it. Just a second. Yep, and this train can only hold up to 6 cars, and it can this one can go slow because we don't want any trains to crash each other. So I will turn up the engine, and actually I'll move the camera here so you can see the engine will light up any second. So it's gonna start running now. So 3, 2, 1. Lights should be on now. So as you can see, the inside, the light is on. Now let's do this, and I'm gonna start running it. This is the first time I ever see pulling a 6 cars train. This is the 7. These are 7 trains. Actually, well, since they are very long, if I can stand right, you will see it from this way. So I managed to fix this train, and this train I did fix it, but with some of the old coaches, the wheels were shaking, and the train tracks has something problem with the wheels. But unfortunately, I managed to fix it today. Although one of the wheels is broken, but I will fix it tomorrow. It's this coaches right here. You cannot see that number. It's flipped upside down, but it's the coaches 2330. Now, I will stop it right there because let's say this is a station, and you will manage to see it this way. You will see the 6 cars, a train that is pulling. Alright, so let's make one more run for it this time. Trains departing, time to go. Just this one more round. When it turns back from here where the coaches is going facing north, it will come back. Just waiting for it to be returned. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this review. Please hit down the like button and as well subscribe, or leave a comment if you want. If you have any requests for how many this train can pull, how many coaches, just leave me down below. Leave it as a comment down below. So thank you for watching, and I will do one more review. So thank you for watching, and hope you will have a wonderful day.